The ingredients that we're going to use for these breakfast egg bites are 7 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, 1/4 of a cup of diced onion, 1/4 of a cup of diced bell pepper, 1/4 of a cup of cheese, 6 ounces of bacon cut into little squares, and a whole cup of spinach. And what I do is I just tear it. It's going to cook down a lot anyway, but I like to tear it so that it can go into all the little cupcake pans. And here I have a 12 cupcake pan, and I line them. This is the whole trick to this, is this parchment paper cupcake liner, okay? And this is what they look like. And they're parchment paper, so nothing sticks to these. The eggs will not stick to this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fry up the bacon and the vegetables, and let's get started with that. Okay, we're going to put the bacon in to fry it. That's the first thing we're going to do. These little egg bites are so versatile. If you don't want bacon, you can put Mexican chorizo, or even that other sausage, the crumbly sausage. It will work well with either one. So we're going to let this crisp up, and I will be back as soon as this is crispy. Okay, the bacon is coming along, and as you can see, there's a lot of grease. We are going to strain that out and just leave 1 teaspoon in there so we can saute the vegetables. So as soon as this gets a little crispier, I like it real crispy. Okay, I'm going to start taking the bacon out of here, and I'm going to put it on top of this paper towel. Just strain it a little bit. Okay, we're going to let that dry up a little bit. We're going to take the oil out. We're going to leave just a teaspoon. Okay, we're going to put the onions in, the bell pepper in, and we're going to saute that. We're going to add a little bit of salt. And you don't need too much oil because the bacon is already a little oily. So just a little bit of salt. We're going to add salt to the eggs, so we don't want to overdo it. Okay, we're going to put in the spinach, which just takes a second. It starts to wilt right away. Okay guys, and that's it. As soon as the spinach is wilted, you turn it off and let everything cool off. Bacon and this mixture need to be cool. Okay, now for the egg batter. Here I have the 7 eggs, the 3/4 of a cup of milk. We're going to put some salt and pepper. You season it however you like it. Put some pepper. If you don't like pepper, don't put it in. And then we're just going to whisk this. Just till it's well incorporated and creamy. Okay, now that the eggs are whisked, we are going to take our filling, and you're going to put some in each cup. Don't put too much, just a little bit, because we still have the bacon and the cheese to put in there. Now we're going to sprinkle in some bacon. Put in as much as you want. First I put in a little bit in all of them, and then if I have extra I go back and add some more. But this pretty much does it for this dish. We sprinkle some cheese. You put whatever cheese you want. If you don't want cheese, don't add it. This is the good thing about this. You can change it up however you want. Now you're going to add the egg. Don't fill it up all the way, just to cover the ingredients that are in there. Just put a little bit at a time and let it get in there, and then we can come back around and fill them up again. Okay, these are gonna go into a 350-degree oven, and I'll let you know how long it's gonna be. I normally leave them in for about 25 minutes, but I'll let you know right after. Okay, the egg bites are out of the oven. They were in there for 20 minutes, and they poof up like this, and then as they cool down, they flatten out a little bit. So we're gonna leave them in the pan for them to cool off before we store them to put them away for tomorrow. Okay guys, the egg bites have cooled off, and let me show you how easy these come apart. The parchment just does not stick to it. See? And then I just put them in a container once they're completely cooled, and I pop them in the refrigerator and have them for breakfast or just a quick snack. See? And just put a lid on it, and or you can even warm up a tortilla, put it in, make a taco real quick in the morning. It's real good breakfast for the kids. Okay guys, that's gonna conclude the video. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a try. Come back and let us know if you did. See y'all later. Bye.